Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this half gallon, 64 ounces, super big water bottle that I really like it. I really like the grip. I really like the handle. I really like how well rugged it is and how strong it is because I want to take this one to the gym. I take this one to the gym. Actually, I've been taking it since I bought it. And I'm kind of like, I don't want to have something like flimsy. I don't want to have something like you put in the floor and then it fails or something like that. I want something strong and I want something big. And I also want something with a lock that I'm sure that if this happens, nothing is going to happen. No, my juice, no, my protein shake or something like that, they won't fall apart. So the good thing about this one, again, crystal clear, so you can see through, you can see how much you have left. The grip, the handle over here is super strong. I have to say that is the best thing about this one is the grip up right here. It's super like big, I want to say, and strong, and just like for you to make sure that you're chugging that drink. And talking about chugging, you can chug it. By the way, this one is a lock, so you can see that I'm pressing and nothing is happening. So I do this, doom, and that's it. So it came out just like by pressing a button, as you can see over here. So you can chug it, or you can actually remove this straw, which by the way, yeah, is retractable. So just like that, you can use this one. I'm just gonna do it right now. Yeah, it has a good quantity of actual liquid that you're kind of like taking. No, nothing just like super small, like those small straws like my wife tumbler. I hate that one. So this one, it is pretty big, but if you want, you can just remove that retractable straw. You can just take it out, just unscrew this part over here, which by the way, it has a silicone O-ring inside, so you're gonna make sure that it's not gonna filter. So you can remove this one over here and you can chug it with the wide open mouth over there. So in case that you're super thirsty or something like that, you can just remove that and boom, chug it. So it has this, just close it. It has this really nice strap over here. And if not, if you wanna just use this one for when you're going out like camping, hiking, fishing, golfing, whatever, you can just put this one on the side and you're all set, and you can just hang this one from your shoulder or your neck. This is just fantastic. 64 ounces, BPA free, of course, crystal clear, you can see through, super strong handle and grip, and of course the retractable straw with the chugging option and the lock as well. I love this one. This is my new to-go bottle. I hope bottle. I hope this is the good one for you as well. I like it. I do recommend it.